Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
Now let's dive into a new feature by ChatGPT called Projects. And whether you're organizing multiple chats or managing files for a specific task, Project provides a structured way to work smarter, not harder, by keeping everything like chats, files, and custom instructions all in one place. So it's a simple yet powerful tool for both personal and professional use. Let's start by exploring how this feature works. Then we'll dive into an example project for Leap Year Learning, which of course is our online education platform. Let's dive in. Now, before we get into examples, let's take a quick tour of what projects can do. Imagine you're tackling a big project or planning a marketing campaign or even creating an online course. Normally, you bounce between multiple chats, upload resources repeatedly, and manually explain your goals. Projects is perfect by simplifying all of this. To create a project, we want to just click the plus button next to projects in ChatGPT, give that project a name, and then you're good to go. You can also change the folder's icon color so you can quickly spot your projects in the sidebar, and within each project, you can upload files like PDFs or CSVs that ChatGPT uses to inform its responses. You can then set custom instructions so ChatGPT automatically adopts the right tone or focus and keeps all the related conversations in one workplace. And now this has to be done with the GPT-4o as the default model currently. And what's great is that everything stays within the project itself. Files, instructions, and chats work together seamlessly, making it easy to stay organized. It's also worth mentioning that while projects aren't shareable or integrated with tools like Google Drive yet, future updates are probably going to expand on these capabilities. So this structure is perfect for professionals managing complex workflows or anyone looking to streamline their use of ChatGPT. It has kind of a notebook LM aesthetic, which we've explored in other lessons, and offers a centralized space to organize files, instructions, and chats in a seamless way. And now that we have the foundation and overview of this, let's go into our example for our project with Leap Year Learning. So the goal of this example project is to streamline our content creation process while ensuring that everything stays consistent and on brand. So we'll call this project Leap Year Learning Content Hub and use it to centralize all the materials needed for creating content like promo emails, blog posts, and FAQs. To start with this, we're using Leap Year Learning's website content as a PDF along with the communication guidelines as custom instructions. It's important to note here that the accepted file formats are currently PDFs and CSVs that can be uploaded directly from your computer, and files from Google Drive or OneDrive aren't supported just yet. These resources help establish Leap Year Learning's friendly and motivational tone while emphasizing real-world applications, which are central to the brand's identity. With the content uploaded, we now have a single workspace that ties together Leap Year Learning's voice, messaging, and resources. This sets things up for generating content that feels a lot more cohesive and organic. And now that we've uploaded those resources, it's time to run a couple tests to make sure ChatGPT is retrieving the data and following the instructions properly. This step is crucial for ensuring that the project works as intended before diving into the actual content creation. First, let's test the uploaded website content by asking ChatGPT about Leap Year Learning's course statistics. As you can see, we have a detailed answer including the numbers like total minutes watched, the average retention rate, and the number of enrollments per day. This confirms that it's pulling, of course, all this data accurately from the uploaded file. Next, we'll test the communication guidelines by asking GPT to summarize Leap Year Learning's content guidelines. In this response, you can see it reflects key points from the guidelines, such as the focus on accessibility, empowerment, and relevance. ChatGPT is also kind of highlighting here a friendly and motivational tone that Leap Year, of course, aims for, confirming that these instructions are accurately being applied. These quick checks are something that you should always do, and they show that Projects is functioning as intended, with ChatGPT referencing both files and instructions seamlessly. And with everything in one place, we're now ready to move forward and start generating content that's on brand and accurate. So let's create an example to see all this in action. Leap Year Learning wants to promote, let's say, their AI productivity course with a blog post that highlights the benefits of using AI to boost workplace efficiency. And this is a perfect opportunity to test how well the project can generate on-brand and impactful content. We'll ask ChatGPT to write this blog post, and with that and the uploaded resources and custom instructions, it's going to have everything it needs to produce the content that aligns with Leap Your Learning's branding and mission. We'll use this prompt. I want you to write a 600-word blog post explaining how AI tools can boost productivity in the workplace and use Leap Your Learning's tone of voice. Looking at this output, this blog post does exactly what we wanted. It makes AI feel useful, practical, and easy to adopt. Instead of overloading the reader with tech-heavy explanations, it's doing a good job of keeping things grounded in everyday workplace challenges. Each section introduces a common problem like time-consuming tasks or messy communication, and then immediately shows how AI tools can fix it. That structure makes the information not just interesting, but also actionable. And anyone who's reading this could walk away with real tools that they can start using today. What really stands out here to me is how the post flows naturally from one idea to the next. And it really starts with big picture productivity and then zooms in on key areas like automation, decision-making, and cybersecurity. The tone, of course, is staying friendly and encouraging throughout this, just like Leap Your Learning's brand. And with a great final call to action, everything is looking awesome. On top of this, the fact that ChatGPT generated this in seconds, completely in line with the project style, just proves how powerful projects can really be. With this blog draft ready, we now have a strong starting point to engage our audience and promote our courses, in this example, more effectively. That does it for ChatGPT's Projects feature. And whether you're managing content creation or tackling complex workflows, Projects offers a smarter and simpler way to stay organized.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion.